This GMC Sierra 2500 HD delivers a gas/ethanol V8 6.0 liters/366 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, engine, VORTEC 6.0 liters variable valve timing V8 SFI E85 compatible, FLEXFUEL capable of running on unleaded or up to 85% ethanol, GVWR below 10,000 pounds 360 horsepower, 268.4 kilowatts, at 5,400 revolutions per minute, 380 pounds-to-foot of torque, 515.0 Nm, at 4,200 revolutions per minute, GVWR 10,000 pounds or above 330 horsepower, 246.1 kilowatts, at 4,600 revolutions per minute, 380 pounds-to-foot of torque, 515.0 Nm, at 4,200 revolutions per minute, STD, Windows, powered with Driver Express up and down and Express down on all other windows. This GMC Sierra 2500 HD comes equipped with these options: wheels, 17, 43.2 cm, machined aluminum includes 17x 7.5, 43.2 cm by 19.1 cm, steel spare wheel. Spare not included with ZW9, pickup box delete unless a spare tire is ordered. Upgradable to PYR 18, 45.7 cm, chromed aluminum wheels or PYU 25 spoke polished aluminum wheels. Upgradable to PYT 18, 45.7 cm, painted steel wheels, PYR 18, 45.7 cm, chromed aluminum wheels or PYU 25 spoke polished aluminum wheels. Wheelhouse liners, rear, requires crew cab or double cab model. Deleted with ZW9, pickup box delete, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity, mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking and powertrain grade braking, requires L96, VORTEC 6.0 liters V8 SFI engine. Transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls, requires 4 WD models, trailering equipment trailering hitch platform 2.5 with a 2.0 insert for HD, 7-wire harness with independent fuse trailering circuits mated to a 7-way sealed connector to hook up parking lamps, backup lamps, right and left turn signals, an electric brake lead, battery and a ground. The trailer connector also includes the 4-way for use on trailers without brakes, park, brake/turn lamps. Deleted when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered, trailer brake controller, integrated, standard with E63, pickup box. Available to order with ZW9, pickup box delete, tires, LT245/75R17E all season, Blackwall, tire pressure monitoring system, does not apply to spare tire. Tire carrier lock keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, not included when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit at a great vehicle.